Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change the order of your song on Spotify. So it's pretty simple. So let's say I go inside a playlist, and remember you can only change the order of a song if you are the creator, or like if you created the playlist, alright? So this is the playlist which I created. So if I want to change the order of music on this playlist, what I can do is after I'm inside the playlist, I can click on where it says custom order, or I can just click on the three line at the top left of the screen on the playlist. From over here, I can choose in which format. Do I want it to be according to date added, or if I want it to be according to views or durations, something like that. So from over here, I can choose how I want to categorize my songs according to. So let's say I want to have a custom list. For that, I need to click on custom order. Now, once custom order is selected, you can just hold on a song and drag it up or down and place it wherever you want, just like this. As you guys can see, I'm moving songs in the playlist just by dragging it. But for that, you need to make sure custom order is selected. So that is how you guys can customize basically the song list on your Spotify. Hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.